Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my presentation on Copilot Studio, your AI powered coding companion. My name is Sneha Sharma, and today we will dive into the world of Copilot Studio and explore how it can revolutionize the way we code. Why Copilot Studio? You may ask, well, in a world where technology is evolving and pressing rate, developers need tools that can keep pace with their innovations. Copilot Studio is designed to be that tool, offering a suite of features that not only assist in coding but also enhance the overall development of process. Over the next few minutes, we will explore its capabilities, benefits, and how it can become an indispensable part of your coding journey. Let's get started. Introductions to Copilot Studio. So, what exactly is Copilot Studio? At its core, Copilot Studio is a powerful AI tool designed to assist developers in various coding tasks. Developed by company names, these tools leverage state-of-the-art machines learning algorithms to understand and interact with code in way that mimics human intelligence. Key features of Copilot Studio include code generations, whether you need a small snippet or an entire function. Copilot Studio can generate code based on your input and context. Code complete code completions. If it offers real-time suggestions as you type, helping you write code faster and with favors errors. Code explanations. Copilot Studio can explain the purpose and functionalities of code segments, making it easiest to understand and debugging. Code refactorings it suggestions optimization and refactoring techniques to improve code equality and performance. Natural language code generations, even if you are not a sessions coders, you can describe what you want to natural language and Copilot Studio will generate the corresponding code. These features are designed to streamline your workflow, enhance your productivities, and help you write better code. The following slides we will dive deeper into each of these features and see how they work in actions. How Copilot Studio work? Now that we have a basic understandings of what Copilot Studio is, let's look at how it works. At the heart of Copilot Studio, it is machine learning models trained on massive data set of code. These trainings allow of the features to understand the various coding language patterns and what practices. The models does not just generate random code snippets, it analyzes and surroundings codes and project context to provide occurrence and relevant suggestion. The contextual understanding it what sets Copilot Studio apart for others coding assignments. It can recognize the structures of your code, understand the dependency, and offer suggestions that are current and contextually opportunities. For instance, if you are working on a web applications and needs a suggestion to handle user authentications, Copilot Studio can generate code that fits into your existing code base. It understands the context of your project and the provide suggestion that you are not only accurate the also optimizations for your specific use case. In the next slide, we will see this contextually understand the actions with a live demo of code generation. But before we move on, it is important to note that Copilot Studio's abilities to understand context is what make a truly intelligence coding companions, and it does not just follow instruction. It understands your project and work with you to achieve your coding goals. Getting the start with Copilot Studios. Getting started with Copilot Studio is easy. Here's are the steps. First of all, install Copilot Studio. Download and install the Copilot Studio extension for your preferred IDE. Set up your account, create a Copilot Studio account, and log in the extension. Start using Copilot Studio. Being using Copilot Studio to generate code suggestion, complete code, and explain code. Integrations with popular IDs. Copilot Studios integration seamlessly with popular integrating development environment IDs makes it easy to use with your preferred tools. Here are some of the IDs the Copilot Studios supports. Visual Studios Code in intelligence IDs, Pygams, Slips, Novims, Slide 6, code generation in Actions. Let's see Copilot Studio in Actions with code generation. Imagine you are working on a project and you need to generate code, scripts, or entire functions quickly with Copilot Studios. You can do just that. It can generate code based on prompts or exits code, saving you time and efforts. Demo showcasing and Copilot Studios generate code. As you can see, it starts by understanding the context of the existing code and then generates a new functions. The fits seem into the code base. The before and after comparisons highlights the efficiency and accuracy of Copilot Studio. Suggestion: it's like having an experts coders at your fingertips, ready to help you with any coding task. Code generator is not just about saving time, it is also about improving accuracy and consistency. By using Copilot Studio, you can ensure that your code follows best practice and is free from common errors. This can be particularly useful in large projects where maintenance consistency across the code base is circular. Moreover, Copilot Studio's code generator features can be a great learning tool. By seeing how the AI generator code, you can learn new techniques and approaches that you might not have considered before. It's like having a mentors who not only help you with your current task but also help you grow as a developer. In the next slide, we will explore another powerful features of Copilot Studio, code completions and autocomplete. But before we have on it worth nothings, the code generate is just the beginnings. Copilot Studio offer a range of features designed to make coding easier and more efficient. So let's dive into code completion and see how it can enhance your coding experience. Natural language code generator. One of the most innovation features of Copilot Studios is its ability to generate code from natural language descriptions. This groundbreaking capabilities makes codings more accessible, particularly for individuals with limited technical expertise. Let's have delays into how natural language code generator work and its two democracies coding. Coding with natural language traditionally coding requires a deep understanding of programming language and syntax. However, Copilot Studio bridges that gap by allowing user that describes desired functionality in plain English or others natural language. For an instance, you can simply say Exactly's are functions that calculate the factors of the numbers, and Copilot Studio will generate the corresponding code in your choose programming language. This feature lowers the barriers to enters for a non-technical user, enabling them the controllings to develop a process. Use case examples to illustrate the powers of natural language code generator. Then consider a real-time scenarios. Suppose of working on a project that require functions to filter even out events numbers from a list. A non-technical team members can describe the requires in natural language. Write to a function that takes a list of numbers and returns a list of only the even numbers. Copilot Studio process this description and generate the opportunity code complete with error handling and age case consideration. This seamless translation from natural language to code fosters collaborations between technical and non-technical team members, enhancing productivities and innovation. Enhance accessibility's natural language code generator, democratizing coding by making it accessibility to a broader audience. This is the particularly beneficial in educational settings where students with limited coding experience can experiment then with code and see immediate immediate results. It also empowers domain experts from various fields to contribute their experts without needing extensive programming knowledge. For example, a biologist working on a computational models, you can describe the desired functionality in natural language and Copilot Studio. Benefit of Copilot Studios. Copilot Studio offer a wide range of benefits for a developer for all levels. Here's some of the key advantages. Increased productivities. Faster coding, Copilot Studio ability to suggestion code snippet and complete lines of code significantly reduce the time it takes to write code. This can lead to increased productivity and faster project completions, reduce errors by providing a accurate suggestion. Copilot Studios help to developer avoid common coding mistakes such as syntax error and logical errors. This reduces the time spent debugging and fixing issues. Automation of repeating tasks. Copilot Studio can automate a repeating coding tasks such as generate code or writing common function. This frees up developer to focus on more complex and creativity tasks. Improve the code quality. Move consistent code. Move consistent code. Copilot Studios can help developer maintains consistent coding styles and conventions, leading to a more readable and maintainable codes. Enhanced code quality by suggestion, best practices and optimization. Copilot Studios can help developers writing higher quality code that is more efficient and levels reduce technical debates. Copilot Studios can help developers avoid technical steps by suggesting improvement that can prevent future problems. Acceleration learning. Ex- Explore to new coding techniques. Copilot Studio can introduce a developers a new coding techniques and best practices that may not be familiar with faster learning curves by providing the suggestions and explanations. Copilot Studios can help a developer learn new programming languages and frameworks more quickly. Improve the problem-solving skills. Copilot Studios can help developer develop better programming solving skills by exposing them to a different approaches to solving a coding challenge. Enhance our collaborations. Improve the code understanding. Copilot Studio can help a team member understand each other's code more easily, leading to a better collaboration and communication. Faster code review. By the providing context and explanations, Copilot Studio can help a review understand code change more quickly or providing some more meaningful feedback. Reduce knowledge transfer. Copilot Studio can help reduce to a knowledge transfer required when new team members join a perfect as they can more easily understanding existing code. Cost saving reduce development time by increasing the productivity and reduce error. Copilot Studios can help optimization save money or development cost. Improve the code quality. High quality code can lead to a reduced maintenance cost and fewer software defects. Faster time to market. Copilot Studio can help organization bring product to market faster by acceleration development time. In conclusions, Copilot Studios offers a wide range of benefits that can help developers improve their productivity, code quality, and learning. By the power of AI, Copilot Studio can help organizations achieve their development goal more efficiently and effectively. Use cases and examples. Copilot Studio can be used in wide range of industries and projects. Here are some examples. Software development. Web development Copilot Studio can be used to generate HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code for a web application. Mobile app development Copilot Studio can be used to generate code for iOS and Android app. Backend development Copilot Studios can be used to generate code for backend service of APIs. Game development Copilot Studio can be used to generate code for games, engines, and same logic. Data science, data cleaning, and processing Copilot Studio can help a data scientist cleans and prepares the data for analyzing. Data analyze Copilot Studio can be used to generate code for data analyze tasks such as explorers, data analyze, and statistically modelings. Machine learning Copilot Studios can be used to generate code code for a machine learning algorithms and models. Data visualizations Copilot Studio can be used to generate code for data visualizations, charts, and graph. Research Scientific computing Copilot Studio can be used to generate code for scientific computing tasks such as simultaneously and modeling. Bioinformatics Copilot Studios can be used to generate code for a bioinformatic analysis such as gain sequence code for a bioinformatic analysis such as gain sequence analyze and protein structures predictions. Natural language process Copilot Studio can be used to generate natural language processing tasks such as text classification and scientific analysis. Educations coding educations Copilot Studio can be used to assist student in learning to code by providing a suggestion and explanation. Online courses Copilot Studios can be used to generate code examples and exercise for online coding courses. Other industries, finance Copilot Studio can be used to generate code for financial analysis and modeling. Healthcare Copilot Studio can be used to generate code for a medical imaging analysis and drugs discoveries. Manufacturing Copilot Studios can be used to generate code for industry automation and control systems. Ad- Addressing concern and misconceptions means graphing illustrating the concept of AI as a tool to exit a developer, not replace them. Some people may have concern about the impact of AI tool like Copilot address that concern and clarify and AI is not intent to replace humans but rather to exit them. AI as a tool, not a replacement. Copilot Studio is a tool that can have developers be more productivities and solving skills and domain that human developer bring the tables. Human oversights is essentials. AI tools like Copilot Studio the generate code is accurate, reliable, and meets that the desired requirement. Ethical considerations it is important to consider the ethical implications of using AI tools like Copilot Studio, such as potentials for bias or misuse. Features of Copilot Studio. Copilot Studio is rapidly evolving tool, and there are many exciting development on the horizons. Here's as some of potential future features of application of Copilot Studio. Improved code generation. Copilot Studio may becomes even more capable of generating complex and accurate code. Natural language interfaces. Copilot Studio may be able it even more acceleration to non-technical user integrations with other AI tools, as Copilot Studio may be integrated with Power AI tools such as AI power testings and debugging tools. Customs models users may be able to train their own custom Copilot Studio model to suit their specific need. Conclusion. Copilot Studio is a powerful and versatile AI tools that can help developer of all level improve their productivity, code quality, and learning by the power of AI Copilot. Studios can help organizations achieve their development goals more efficiently and effectively. I encourage you to try Copilot Studios for yourself and see how it can benefit your development workflow. You can start by visiting the Copilot Studio websites or downloading the extension for your preferred IDs. At the last, thank you very much to Azure Development Community and Rescale for giving me this valuable opportunity to speak in this session of AI 2.0. Thank you.